गाइस वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल एफ क्रिप्टो। अगर सबसे पहले तो आप अगर हमारे चैनल पर नए हैं तो हमारे चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन के बटन को प्रेस करें ताकि हमारी हर वीडियो आपके पास बआसानी और सबसे पहले पहुंचे। तो चले वक्त ज़्यादा किए बिना अपनी वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है मीटर ड्यूक। वेलकम टू मीटर ड्यूक। मीटर ड्यूक इज़ अ प्ले टू अर्न एंड NFT ecosystem. Duke is a 3D multiplayer shooter game using blockchain technology. Simple players have to complete challenges, buy equipment, and destroy opponents. The gaming process is crystal clear. You are just thrown onto the map. Then you choose a weapon, and that's it. Your aim is to survive. Why you can see pre-sales, join and buy token. Be king of the metaverse. Metadog is the first NFT game that you will really want to play. Your time is appreciated here, so you will be awarded for it both in fun and economically, as Metaduke is both free to play and play to earn. Nook City works around the native token $MDTK is the in-game currency used on the play-to-earn model based on various underworld activities. This is played within the vast metaverse of 20,000 plots of land. Rent or purchase a lucrative plot on land, with each city possessing their own underlying properties. You can build your empire to create further revenue generating assets. All of this is available on the MetaDuke marketplace, where various non-fungible assets can be bought and sold, including exclusive avatars, advanced gaming technology, and crypto wallet integration. United 3D MetaDuke will first release a 2v3 PvP 1 versus 1 5 versus 5 battle arena built on Unity. There will be a ranking system and a matchmaking system that will find a worthy opponent based on your current rank. Unreal Engine MetaDuke World will be built on Unreal Engine. Players can get immersed in the metaverse. You will be able to go anywhere in the Duke world, complete in-game quests, PvP, PvE, NFT marketplace, and much more. What is marketplace? One of the most important parts of this game is its marketplace. Each user can put his character for sale at any time at any price, and all these warriors are displayed in one place. As a result of which, users who decide to buy their warriors from the marketplace make their purchase from among these warriors. However, it is better to choose the pricing method according to the background and details of warriors and be reasonable, because buyers will check all the background and details of your warrior and will buy it if it is of reasonable value. This point is so important that the user must perform well to manage his warrior. It attacks or defends with it. You can see Metaduke is not only a simple action shooting game, it utilizes the use case of NFT and smart contract control tokens in a unique way. Every in-game warrior or asset is backed by a unique and dynamic NFT. 5,000 NFT Duke, NFT sales, fighters, experience points, superpower skin, arenas, token sale. MDTK token will be released on the basis of Ethereum and BSC platform. Its compatibility of the token with third-party services, wallet exchanges, etc., and provides easy-to-use integration. Start. You can see number of token for sale and token price, acceptable currencies, minimal transaction amount, pre-sale starts. You can see tokenomic distribution percentage. Private sale 13.8%, public sale 1.6%, liquidity 4%, marketing 14%, team 15%, advisor 6%, play to earn 45.6%, MetaDuke. You can see MetaDuke roadmap. H2 2021 Idea and Research Team Creation White Paper Internal Release Business Plan Set Up Gameplay Development First Phase. H2 2022 Gameplay UI Development UX Testing MDTK Token Contract Deploy Project Marketing MDTK Sale Contract Deploy MDTK Token Sales Starting White Paper 1.0.0 Release MDTK Token Sale Completion Pancake Swap Listening HI 2022 H1 2022 Marketing Plan Set Up Private Fund Allocation Contracts Debugging Website User Interface UI Development Network Selection Negotiation HI 2022 Gameplay Contract Debugging Gameplay Contract Launching Gameplay Beta Launching NFT Token Sale Technical Paper Release Exchange Listening Expansion Roadmap V2 Release Powered by a new team. MetaDuke team combines a passion for metaverse gaming, design, marketing, industry expertise, and proven record in finance, development, marketing, and licensing. You can see Waylon Dalton, CEO and lead blockchain, Stephen Harry, CTO and senior developer. Moises Tier blockchain app developer. You can see MetaDuke partners. You can see as seen in PooChain, Yahoo Finance, B in crypto, the Telegram, Bitcoinist News, BTC, Investing.com, Refresher, NWN, NFT World News. Start it up. Contact MetaDuke. Any question, reach out to us and we'll get back to you shortly. तो आज की वीडियो हमारी ख़त्म हुई। मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो के साथ। बाय बाय।